Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. So now, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now just at the bottom right corner, you can see 3 lines icon with menu on it. Tap on it. With that, you'll come across this menu page. Now just at the top, you can see your name. So tap on it. Now once you are here on your profile, you can see the option of Edit Profile with the pencil icon just beside it. So tap on that option of Edit Profile. Now once you are here, just scroll down below. And at the bottom, you can see the option of Edit Your About Info. Just tap on that option at the bottom. Now again, scroll down below, and under Basic Info, you'll be able to see your gender and your birthday. So simply tap on the option of Edit just beside Basic Info at the right-hand corner. Now again, you'll come across this page, and just at the top you can see birthday and your birth date and your birth year. And you can see just beside it at the right hand corner that these options have been selected for friends of friends audiences, which means that your friends of friends will be able to see your birthday. So in order to keep your birthday private, just tap on friends of friends in order to change the audience. Now just at the bottom you can see the option of Only Me. Tap on it. Now again, tap on Friends of Friends beside your birth year. Now again, repeat the step of choosing the option of Only Me. Now tap on Save at the top right corner. And by doing this step, only you will be able to see your birthday and your friends won't be notified. Now let's go back again. Now in case if you want to turn off other notification of your friend's birthday, just go to Menu at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down below and tap on the drop-down button of Settings and Privacy. Now simply tap on Settings. Now once you are here, scroll down below, and under Preferences, you can see the option of Notifications with a bell icon beside it. So tap on that option of Notifications. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now scroll down below and you can see various options on your screen. Now you can see the option of birthdays, so just simply tap on that option of birthdays. Now once you are here, you can see that the toggle for allow notifications on Facebook is turned on. We have to simply turn it off. Now you can see the pop-up that says turn off birthdays notifications. Tap on turn off. So by turning off this toggle, you won't be getting birthday notifications anywhere on your device, either email or SMS. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.